Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 17 of our JavaScript playlist. Alright, in previous video we have seen like if else and this if if else switch. We already seen like how we can work with switch. In this video we will discuss about for loop, right? So we will discuss like how for loop exactly work. Okay, for loop is very important in for upcoming lectures. So you should understand this for like very nicely. So what is the syntax? Like what are the things you need to remember when you are learning for loop? So whenever you will write for loop, so means you will write three things. First is start. Okay. First you will write start. Okay. Then you will write stop and you will write update. Okay. These three things are important in order to learn for loop. Okay. So what is the mean of loop? What's the mean of loop? Loop means repetition. Loop means repetition. Okay, if you want to repeat one statement more than one time, then definitely you will choose what? Loop, right? So like what is the syntax of loop? So whenever you will write loop, so you will write first for. Okay, after for you will write here like start, right? And then stop is okay, stop where you want to stop. So here you will write here you will write condition. I want to stop on 5, right? And here what you will do, you will update the start, like plus plus. Okay, start plus plus. Okay, so but before giving this start, stop and start plus plus, you have to define this. Let like let start equals to like from where you want to start. I want to start from 1. Okay, and then you have to write stop. Okay, so we are defining a stop value here. Okay, let me say stop equals to 5. So I will say if it is starting, so start less than equals to stop. Okay, this is the correct way. Start value is 1, so we will say here on this particular value you need to stop this loop. So what is that particular value, which is 5? Okay, then these two variables we need to declare. One is the start and then is stop, and we will update the start value because the start value is 1. So what is the mean of plus plus? What is the mean of updating start value? When start plus plus will occur, will happen, so it will start update the start value like 2, then 3, then 4, up to 5, right? So it will update like this. Okay, so let me write the exact program, like how we can write the program. So let me say start equals to 1. I want to start from 1. Then I will say start, then I will say stop equals to 5, right? Now I will say for start equals to, okay, I'm writing simply start here, then I'm saying start less than equals to stop. Okay, and then I'll say start plus plus. Okay, and here I'll print like console.log, and what I will print is start on. Okay, start is a variable. So what is the start value? Start value is 1. Okay, start value is 1, right? Now the second thing is condition. Second thing is what? Condition. It will check what is the start value. Start value is 1 and stop value is 5. So 1 is less than 5. Is that true or false? This condition true or false? 1 is less than 5 because stop value is 5. So if condition is true, then update. If the condition is true, then print this message. Okay, so what is the start value? It will print start value. Start value is initially 1. So it will print 1. After printing, it will check if there other statements are there or not. So there is no statement. Then it will update the start value. Now what is the start value? Previously start value was 1. Now the start value is what? 2. Start value become 2. So now it will check 2 is less than equals to 5. So 2 is less than 5. So means condition is true. 2 is less than 5 means condition is true. If this condition true, then again print start value. So what is the start value? 2. So it will print 2. Okay, there is no further statement. Now it will update the start value. Now start value is what? Start value is not 2, but start value is 3 now. So again it will check start value is 3. 3 is less than stop. Stop value is 5. So 3 is less than 5 means condition is true. So again it will print start value. Start value is 3. It will print what? 3 again. Now start will update again. Start value become 4 now. Okay, we already discussed about this operators. Okay, like plus plus minus minus, so it will increment just one value, right? So start value is 4 now. So 4 is less than 5. Yeah, condition is true. If condition is true, then print start value, which is 4. Okay, no further statement. Increase the start value, update the start value. Start value will become 5. Now we will check 5 is less than 5. No, 5 is not less than 5. Then it will check equals to. Like 5 is equals to 5. Yeah, 5 is equals to 5. Means condition is true. If condition true, then print start value. What is the start value? 5. So it will print 5 now. Okay. So no further statement. It will update the start value now. So now start value becomes 6. Okay. Now it will check the start value is 6. 6 is less than 5 because stop value is what? 5. Start value is 6. So 6 is less than 5. No, 6 is not less than 5. Then we will check equals to. 6 is equals to 5. No, both cases are false. Means 5 is not less than 6 or not equals to 6. So means both conditions are false. So it will not further increment. So it will print only what? 1 to 5 because on 6 it is the condition is being false, right? So it will print only what? 1 to up to 5 because our stop value is 5. That's why. So let me go here. Let me refresh. So what is the output is coming? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 5 is coming, right? So like this, it is working. Another way to write for loop, another way in JavaScript to write for loop. So you will write for, okay, and you will say let start equals to 1, okay, and then you will say start less than equals to 5. Directly I'm saying, and I'll say start plus plus. Okay, so this will also print the same console.log, and what I need to print is start. Okay, let me say 15. So it will start from 1 and check the condition. 1 is obviously less than 15. So it will print this. After printing this, it will update the start value. Now start value become 2. Then again it will check, right? Like this it will print. Let me refresh. Okay, so it is printing up to 15. So these up to 15 it is printing, right? So this is how it is working. Okay. So in the next video, we will discuss nested for loop. All right. Right. So in the next video, okay, there is one for loop and nested for loop, right? So we will discuss nested for loop as well, right? So in the next video we will discuss this topic, right? Thank you everyone for watching this video.